It's been raining since morning and the weather has become so cold and chilly. I am craving for a hot drink right now, so I'm gonna go grab one. Actually, it's my day off today and it's been a while since I've vlogged, so I thought I'll just chill today and vlog. To be honest, I enjoy this kind of weather, rainy weather. और अभी सबसे ज़्यादा मैं मिस कर रही हूँ वो है चाय और पकोड़े. मतलब I wish I could have it right now. So there is this suburb in Auckland, Parnell. It's a very beautiful place. If you ever visit Auckland, do go to Parnell. Right now I am walking along a park which is very beautiful, as you can see. From here you get an amazing view of Auckland city. Let's have a look. There is Chocolate Boutique Cafe in Parnell. If you love chocolate, it's the best place for you. They have like lots of chocolate desserts. I found this corner seat in the cafe which is very cozy and it's very warm in here. So let's see what I'm gonna have. Every time I come to this cafe, it's really hard for me to decide what I'm gonna have because there are lots of options, like lots of iced teas, coffees, cakes, all the sweet stuff. So they've got lots of types in waffles. They've got passion fruit waffle, berry waffle, chocolate waffle, maple waffle. I think I should go for berry waffle because it's like hot waffle with thick mixed berry sauce, 2 scoops boysenberry ice cream and fresh cream. Oh my god, it sounds delicious. Okay, let's go get it. Hi.
Hi.
Can I have a berry waffle, please?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just that.
$10.95. Thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay.
You know, many people find it weird to go to a restaurant and eat alone. But to be honest, I enjoy my own company, and earlier I used to feel a bit awkward, but now I'm very comfortable with my own company. I think it's very necessary for everyone to take out a little bit of time for yourself and just, enjoy it. Thank you. It's here. Oh my god, it looks so amazing. So this is berry waffle. It's hot and crispy. This is boysenberry ice cream, chocolate and lots of cream. Oh my god. This is gonna be my dinner, I guess. This is too good. The sour taste of berry sauce, cream and the sweet waffle is just amazing. The waffle is really crispy and with ice cream is just the best. This boysenberry ice cream, I don't think so we get it in India because I never had it before I came to New Zealand, but it's really nice. It's like kind of mix of vanilla and berry. That's boysenberry, yeah. And now it's starting to rain as well, but it's good I've got my rain jacket with me, so I'll be safe. I've never ridden these e-scooters before, but I think I should try it today. So basically you have to download the app first and then scan this code and pay and you're good to go. I have unlocked this bike and so I'm gonna wear this helmet and get on the bike. It's gonna be fun. So I just come from that side? Yeah, just like that, just like horizontal.
You're not gonna fit in horizontal.
That's okay. Can I have a bit? Yeah, that's all right. Okay, I'm gonna park this bike here. Gosh, this was a fun ride. I'm almost close to my house now, and I got this lady to, get my video. She was so sweet. It's been a fun evening. Thank you for tagging along. I'm gonna go head back home now, and I'll see you guys in next video. Till then, take care.